Hi everyone, we are going to study from chapter 3 coordinate geometry exercise 3.1 question 2. So let's see in your textbook the question 2 what is given. There is a street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. So a city has two main roads. So I have drawn already two main roads, and these main roads are in which direction? North-south direction and east-west direction. Two main roads are crossing each other at the center of the city. So now next it is said all the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meters. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single line. So let's draw 5 streets in each direction. So we have here east-west direction, north-south direction. So we have to draw 5 streets parallel to this direction. So towards east-west direction 5 streets, and towards north-south direction also 5 streets, and each distance is 1 centimeter distance, and that 1 centimeter we consider as 200 meter. So let's draw the line. So I have drawn the 5 streets towards east-west direction. So this will be street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5. These are in east-west direction. You can see west-east or east-west direction. So these are 5 streets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in east-west direction. So same way parallel to north-south direction also we have to draw 5 streets. So I am using the red color pen so that you can distinguish between the two parallel lines that are east-west direction. These are blue color, and then north-south direction I'll draw in red color. So you have to draw 5 streets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 streets. So this is first street, second street, third street, fourth street and fifth street. Okay. So now next let us see. These are in north-south direction. This is north-south direction. All these red color streets that you see, and blue color they are east-west direction. So 5 streets this direction and 5 streets to the other direction. So now let's see further what is there in our book. So the question is further is we already finished representing roads or streets by single lines. So now there are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. So you can see there are many cross streets in your model. So cross streets, these all are crossing this blue color street and the red color line. You can see blue line and red color line, they are crossing each other. All these points, blue color line and the red color line, they all are crossing each other, you see. So these are called cross streets. So now next, each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call this cross street 2, 5. So second street running in the north-south direction. Second street running in north-south. So these are the red color what you see, they are running in the north-south direction. So which is the street? It is said second street running north-south direction. So this is the second street running north-south direction. And then what is said? Second street running north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing. So fifth one So fifth one at east-west direction. So if you see east-west direction, all blue lines are east-west direction. In that the fifth one. So this is the one. So they meet at what point? So they meet, fifth one is running this direction and the second one is running this direction. So where are they meeting? They are meeting at this point. This is a cross street. So the second one is meeting at this point and the fifth one is meeting at this point, and we name it this as 2, 5. This cross street we name it as 2, 5. You can see here. So if the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call this cross street 2, 5. Using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3. So same direction we have to see. Okay, how the second street was north-south direction, fifth was west direction. So first north-south direction and then east-west direction. So same way here also, how many cross streets can be referred to as, this will be north-south direction and this is east-west direction. So first we will see 4 and 3. So let's see 4 and 3. So 4 here it is, this is a street, fourth one, and 3 is, third one is east-west direction. Third is here, east-west direction. Where do they meet? So they run parallel to this direction and here it runs towards this direction. So at this point you see, third one is running this direction and the fourth one is running this direction. So at this point, cross street, and we name it as 4, 3. Okay, first 4. So you have to always see, okay, here in this direction number first. So 4 and then 3 here. So now next, and what is the question? How many cross streets can be referred? 4, 3. 4, 3, how many can we say? We can say only 1 here. Can you say this is as a 4? No, this is third one. This will be third and this will be third. This cross street will be 3, 3. So 4, 3 can be only 1 cross streets because fourth one is passing from here and the third one is from this direction. They meet at this point. So there is only 1 4, 3 cross street we have. So let's see the another one. How many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4? So 3, 4. So 3 is here and 4 east-west direction, 4 is here. So 4 is running towards this direction, 3 is running towards this direction. Where do they meet? Here. At this juncture they meet. So this is a cross streets, that is 3, 4. So 3 is running north-south direction, 3 this side, and east-west direction, 4th is this side. So 3, 4. So how many streets can be referred 3, 4? Only 1 street, because 3 is from here it will come, 4 will come this direction. So there is only 1 cross street which is 3, 4. So if you take anywhere else, if you see here, this will be from here 2 and from this direction 2 it is. So there is only 1 3, 4. So your answer for the first second question. How many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3? There is only 1 cross streets can be referred as 4, 3. For this also you have to write, there is only 1 cross streets can be referred as 3, 4. So that's the answer. Thank you. God bless you.